first question is, why do you need a greenhouse? If you want to grow greens and herbs year round, you might not actually need a greenhouse. Maybe you need a cold frame. If you want to grow fruit trees, you probably don't need a greenhouse. If you live in a cold climate and you want to grow through the colder months, then a greenhouse might make sense. If you live in the tropics, closer to the equator, a greenhouse might make sense actually just to keep the rain off of your plants. So essentially, a greenhouse is creating a controlled environment, and it really depends on what you want to grow. In northern climates, like here in Boston, we use greenhouses to extend the season and grow things through the winter. But closer to the equator, they use greenhouses to keep the rain off of the crops, which can be detrimental in terms of the force of the rain, but also the high humidity level from the rain can cause fungal disease. So why build a greenhouse? It really has to do with wanting to extend the growing season or wanting to create a favorable environment for growing the types of crops that you want to grow.